What is up, guys, and welcome to the video. This is going to be the video where I am completely remaking my brother's setup. So as you can see, a lot of it looks really torn apart right now. That's because we are taking a lot of stuff down. So we took his TV off, his monitor, which I will be giving him the one I have now as my second monitor, which will be his second monitor because I ordered a new one, 144 hertz. It's a really nice one. It's 24 inches. Still don't know if I'm going to be mounting it normally or vertically next to my first monitor. Here is his laptop. There's my dog. Zeus, say hi to the vlog. Give me a paw. Say hi to the vlog. Zeus, paw. Paw.
Paw. Zeus, paw.
Alright, he understands it in Russian. Here. Zeus, дай лапку. Zeus. Zeus. Дай лапку. Zeus, say it. This is just, our dog is better trained than this. There he is. Okay, now. Zeus, дай лапку. Zeus, дай лапку. Okay, he's upset. He's camera shy. Alright, so basically, yeah. This is what we've got going on so far. I'm gonna give you guys a second clip when we do get everything off. But I will also show you guys the plans in 1 second. So, yeah. Alright. Alrighty, guys, so this is literally after we made the last clip that's going to be in this video, and I looked when I was about to go edit the video, and the part where I did show the plans was a vertical video, which would not work. I don't know how it happened, but I'll be showing you your plans. Also, this 24-inch monitor is going to be my brother's main monitor. You'll see that later in the vlog. So I got this second 27-inch monitor, so I've got two of them now. But let's get to the plans. Basically, this was our original plan, having his PC built be right there, one of the 20-inch monitors in the middle, the Xbox there, Nintendo Switch, keyboard, mouse, there's his desk, and we were supposed to have a shelf there with a mic. So this was our original plan. I'm gonna let you guys just watch the video and see what does get changed for the actual video. So I'll get right into the next clip and enjoy the video. Alright guys, so this is update number 2. Basically what we did is we got all of this stuff taken off. I did remake the LEDs, which I think looks sick. What this basically does is, there's a lot of stuff in here that needs to be redone, but basically this illuminates everything in here. So because they're under here, so the drawer, when you open it, it illuminates everything inside of it, and this is with both drawers, and it's sick. So this has RGB as well, the keyboard, so does the mouse. This is basically going to be an RGB bomb. And yeah, what I'm planning is basically a second monitor going like here, and I'm gonna have the PC case that I already have for his build and put it right there. And basically, that will allow me to basically see what it's gonna look like. The second monitor, though, I will not be putting there yet. We know it's gonna fit. We know it's gonna work. We have the Xbox right there, the Nintendo Switch. And basically, this is what we've got so far. So I will come to you with the next update shortly. Alright, guys, have a great day. Alright, peace. Yo, guys, so there is a little change of plans. Right now it is Christmas morning. I decided to get my brother another gift, which is this nice 24-inch, 144 hertz, 1 millisecond response time display. So our idea for the two monitors, the two pretty bad monitors, is going away, and I'm thinking of one bigger monitor, and maybe one day in the future getting a monitor mount and making a vertical mounted monitor right there to make it fit. But for now, I'm going to be putting better use to these two monitors. They're not really gaming monitors, they're kind of like productivity monitors that shouldn't even be used as primary ones. So I gave my brother another gift as a 24-inch monitor, and yeah, we'll get to finishing this little setup thing when we get to building his PC. Alright guys, peace. Alright guys, so we got his monitor up. It's pretty sick. It's this 24-inch Viotech monitor, 1080p, 144 hertz. It's really nice. Everything else is like this. Basically today, my brother's PC parts are actually coming today, so they were supposed to come tomorrow, but they're coming today a day early. And I'm going to be making a PC build guide. I'm pretty sure this is it for this video. This is just the planning of a setup. I will be making a full setup makeover video when we get everything up and running, the PC built. Everything will be finished, but this is kind of like a sneak peek basically to his setup and how we what we made it from and what we made it into. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. It really means a lot to me to see all of your support, and I will be back with you guys with a PC build guide, a full PC build guide. So if you're ever trying to build a PC, this guide will allow you to do that, and a full setup makeover video which will show you what my brother's setup went from and what it became. So thank you guys once again for watching. Thank you for all the support. Peace out. Have a great day, guys. Goodbye.